Name's Tommy McDonald, and I'm the general manager, district manager for Jefferson County Water District 10. It's a 2.2 square mile area that's carved out between the city of Beaumont north and the city of Nederland to the south. During Hurricane Harvey, we were told by the forecasters that the system would dump a lot of rain. We've seen 20-inch rains, we've seen 10-inch rains. We haven't seen this type amount of rain in this short period of time. It was just devastating. My fire department called me, was out doing rescues actually, and called me and said it was horrible, I needed to get to work. This was all underwater, roughly 2 feet. The first thing we did was shut off the main breaker to kill everything so it was safe. It came up fast and it stayed for about 12 hours and then it started to recede. It was bad. I've grown up here and I've never seen water like this. It was roughly 72 inches of rain in 3 or 4 days. There's only 9 of us here, and we started getting to work, trying to remove carpet and get stuff out of the building and get things dried out. This sheetrock has been put back twice in the last 3 years. First with Hurricane Harvey, and then of course followed up a year and a half later with Imelda. Our operators and crew worked in anywhere from 2 feet of water or less, so it's really been difficult to provide, not only work safely in horrible conditions, but to provide water to customers and treat wastewater. So one of the things that has really helped us is to get this control building elevated up off the ground. It's also a 130-mile-per-hour hurricane-proof wind building, which will help us since we've had numerous storms over the last 10 years. It's a full-blown water laboratory where we run analysis on the water every 4 hours or more if needed. It will provide a place for our operators to stay during hurricane events or emergencies. A, keeps us out of the water, and B, hopefully we'll stay together in a hurricane. This is elevated roughly 4 feet off the ground, so we'll have that protection. We'll stay dry. It also provides a place for the SCADA and a computer to be housed up safe out of the weather. SCADA, supervisor control system, it allows us to turn pumps and motors on and off. It lets us look at levels in the tanks and so on. Texas Water Development Board actually had some hardening infrastructure programs out there and some funds available. So the best thing we thought to do is get it up off the ground. And a foot's not going to work, 2 feet's not going to work. So it's up, close to almost 4 feet up. And so it's a lot of dirt, a lot of slab. It was costly, but with the Water Development Board's help, we were able to do so. And not only that, but put together an effective building that can hopefully withstand 130-mile-per-hour winds. So we've learned a lot. I'd say we've had numerous storms. Kudos go out to our hardworking employees. It's very, very difficult times. Customers are stressed out, whether they're being rescued or not. And people are scared, and operators are tired. We work, long, hard hours. We don't get to see our families much, but that's our job. That's what we do.